Do you sell this product? This is a vegetable oil CBD capsules, homeopathic dose with fantastic effects. The team of scientists has developed a method for reducing the dose of the active substance by 30 times. Tests were conducted. Now, if you buy herbal oils from a farmer, you can produce more products to sell to your customers. Equipment and technology have found many followers around the world. This has been proven in many presentations. The process of obtaining capsules is very easy. Capsules contain the same mini dose. Compact and cheap equipment, full support from the company service at all time. Official contract, short delivery times, promising business in your city. The area of the required room is 15 square meters, enough 2 employees, a great choice for a coffee shop.